Club 2024 Moto Mania. You guys, it's madness. ಎಷ್ಟು jeeps ಬಂದಾವ ಗೊತ್ತಾ? I'm not able to count the number of jeeps that are here. I think this event is going to be a literal madness. Hello guys, ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. Welcome to Auto Syndicate. So today I'm headed towards Chikmagaluru, and what's happening? There is an event on off-road 4x4 event in Chikmagaluru, and you know how Chikmagaluru boys are and how the events are there, extreme off-roading. It's called Moto Mania, and it is organized by Bhadra Sports Club, and I'm going with my cousin here, Nikhil, and we are going in his Jimny. I'll show you the car from outside later in the video. So this Jimny is loaded. It's loaded with a lot of mods and all imported mods, and he spent a lot of money on this car, and we're going to see some other insane off-roading cars in that event. Stay tuned. This vlog is going to be all about off-roading and off-road experience. I want to show you guys what it feels like, and this is my first off-road event, so I'm all excited. Stay tuned. You're going to love this video. As we're getting closer to Chikmagaluru, we can see a lot of cars, a lot of 4x4 vehicles, probably heading to the same event we are going. For sure. Looks like that. Up near Kunigal Toll for a coffee break. This is the Jimny I'm in. Now we have come in a different set of wheels. Very soon we'll be changing to these empty tires. This was his previous event, Hoppa Motorsports Club. But look at this car. It's crazy. Let's see how intense off-roading is going to be. Well, it's around 3:20 p.m. and we stopped in Kandya Cafe and Kitchen for lunch break. So, Kandya Planters Club, the event is organized by them. So, let's see. Guys, we've reached Chikmagaluru. But what we need to do is, we've come with the set of empty tires behind. We need to replace them with the all-terrain tires which we are running on. So we've reached the tire changing point. Let's get the tires updated on this beast. Check these buttons out. One wheel done, 3 more to go. But look how it looks. The last wheel is being fitted now. What we'll be doing is, we're going to leave these wheels here, because tomorrow after the off-road event we'll come and fit back these all-terrain wheels and head back to Bangalore. So until then we're on these empty wheels, and since it's my first off-road experience, I am just super excited. We've reached Kandia Planters Club. Actually, tomorrow is the event, but we need to do the registration today. So I thought let's finish the registration for today.
Okay, no problem. Okay,
The registration is all done. The only thing we need to do is get some good rest for tomorrow. We need to be there morning by 6:30, 7 a.m. And we've collected all the goodies and all the merchandise that they had provided us. And now we are heading towards our stay. We booked a stay. It's known by the name of Shanti Kunj. It's a really, really nice resort. I'll show you around. And yeah, we reached our stay. Shanti Kunj, Riverside Exotica. This is our stay tonight. That's a river there. A riverside stay. Let's rest for some time. It's 7 a.m. in the morning and we are leaving the resort now, heading towards the trail. I'm all excited and look, I have a walkie-talkie. We need this because in case we'll have to drive if I have to get off the vehicle and guide the driver, it will be very important. So we have a walkie-talkie and there'll be no zero network in that place. So come, I'll give you a real off-road experience today. We are heading to Kandia Plantation, but you gotta listen to this tire noise on the road. It sounds literally like an exhaust. I don't know if you're able to hear it in this in the video, but trust me, the empty tires on roads sounds insane. Oh, look at the number of jeeps! Madness! This is madness. Oh my god. I was telling you in the starting, this event is organized by Bhadra Sports Club Motomania. Bhadra Sports Club 2024 Motomania. It's not just the cars, the jeeps parked outside. Look at this. Oh my god. Hey, this is one hell of an event, man. Yen ishtu crazy agide. See, you cannot count the number of jeeps that are here. From outside. Yesterday we received coupons for the event, so it's time for breakfast. So it's time for breakfast. We need to have the breakfast and then the event will head out to the flag off. Guys, look at the lineup. See, check this lineup. Flag off happened about 10 minutes ago and many jeeps have left. There are nearly about 200 and plus jeeps, and this is our group here. We thought we'll just go with the group. We'll leave in another 5 minutes. But it's gonna be insane. 3, 2, 1, here we go. Yeah. Team is heading out. Guys, look at the happiness on my face. I just cannot express it. My God, I am like so happy. This is my first off-road experience and I feel it's going to be amazing. Like literally amazing. I'm out of words, but I'm going to cover this vlog and I'm going to be super excited in this vlog. Never would have I been so excited in any vlog. Whoa. It's not the off-roading, guys. Wait. We're going to the trail. Patience. Stage 1. Guys, see, now we're in stage 1. Next, stage 2, stage 3. I think, can't wait to see stage 3. See these vehicles that are exiting here, they finished the stage 1. You know, we're still waiting, it's not yet our turn. There's still a lot of vehicles lined up in the front. They all need to finish. See the lineup. I'm just going for a walk. See, this is the start of the trail, stage 1, Motomania. Guys, finally stage 1 entry in our Jimny. Finally. It was a long wait actually. There was too much crowd, right? Since there was too much crowd, it was literally a long wait. I had to, we had to wait for an hour or so for our stage 1 opportunity to come. But we are here entering the stage 1 and I'm all excited. See, this is the first hurdle. Check out the steep. Maybe you can't notice in the video, but trust me, it's like literally 45 degrees. The one there. Woo.
Left go, steering left shift kare.
Now the first hurdle. 2 minutes and it's our turn to cross that hurdle. We're just waiting. Wow.
Nikhil.
Mama.
Let the this thing go. Then alignment stop.
ಆಯ್ತು ಸಿಕ್ತು ಬಸ್ ಸಿಕ್ತು
ಹೋಗ್ಲಿ. Left. Steering left.
Whoa.
ಅದೇ ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ.
Oh. Fuck. Guys, this is insane. 45 degrees or greater than that. madness. Madness.
Okay. No first, next. Yes.
Hey, ಸಾಕಾಗಿದೆ ಗುರು. ನನ್ನ ಫೇವರೆಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೀರಿಯನ್ಸ್. You know what's up next? Water crossing. Check this out. Slow, slow. Slow, 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 slow. Oh my god. Guys, see, this is the angle we are in. Literal. Woo! Cakewalk. Right, huh?
ರೈಟಿಗೆ ಸ್ಲೋ ಡಿಪ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಸ್ಲೋ ರನ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ಹೊಡೆಯುತ್ತೆ, ಸ್ಲೋ
Okay.
ಹೋಗಿ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಡಿಪ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಲಿಟ್ ಯೋರ್ ಟೇಲ್, ಸ್ಲೋ ಹೋಗಿ ಈಗ ಸ್ಲೋ ಆಗಿ ಹೋಗಿ
Slow, slow, slow. Oh my god. Yes, come on. It was a piece of cake indeed, actually. Good one, bro, good one. This side. Again, what is this? 45 degrees? Easy 45 degrees, right? With slush. Whoa. Come on. Yes, good one. Oh my god. The trail from outside, just for you all. Check it out. Yeah, it's actually easy for an off-road vehicle. With so much of weight, it's actually easy. So I got off the chimney for some time. I thought, let me walk the trail a bit, see the next hurdle that's up ahead. See the second hurdle. Hey, again a water crossing, huh? Hey, crazy. Finally out. Oh no. Come on, Gypsy. Come on. 2, 3. Come on. Yes. I came closer to give you all a better glimpse. Come on. Oh my god. This is extreme. Oof. See this. Reverse. Touch. Oi. Oh. difficult, guys. To be very honest, I believe if you have a Thar, we'll have to remove the side skirts and everything and come here. Otherwise, it's a difficult task. Okay. You saw the second hurdle. Let me go back to the Jimny and come in the Jimny. Let's see how the Jimny does in the second hurdle. Slow, bro. Crazy. The second water crossing which you guys saw, we are going to enter it now.
ರೈಟಾ ಫುಲ್ ತಿರ್ಸ್ಕೊಬೇಕಾ ಹಂಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು ರೈಟಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗಿ ಮೇಲೆ ಟ್ರೈ
Cleaning the gumboots. Hey.
ಕಲ್ಲು ಮೇಲೆ ಕಲ್ಲು ಮೇಲೆ ಹೋಗಿ ರೈಟ್ CST
Hey, it was a piece of cake, bro. My boy. He's got some next level Jimny here, huh? Here is another trail. Looks more crazier. Oh,
ಫುಲ್ ಡೌನ್ ಅಪ್ಪ
whoa, this is more than 45 degrees slope. Need to be careful here.
ಸ್ಟ್ರೈಟ್ ಸ್ಟೇರಿಂಗು ಸ್ಟ್ರೈಟ್ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಒಂದ್ಸತಿ ಸಡನ್ ಆಗಿ ಕೂರುತ್ತೆ ನಿಧಾನ ಲೈಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಎಕ್ಸೈಟ್ ಕೊಡಿ ಕೂತ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಓಕೆ
Yes.
ರೈಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬೀಜ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರು
Finally, stage 3. Bro. Oh, the stage 3 is insane. There. comes the Jimny. Hey, it's a piece of cake, man. Jimny can easily get.
ನಾನು
Oh my god. They had to tow the tar. It's very difficult for it to come out.
ಬೆಳಿಗ್ಗೆ ಇತ್ತಲ್ಲ ನೀರು ಹಂಗಿರ್ಬೇಕಿತ್ತು ಮಧ್ಯಾಹ್ನ ಬೇರೆ
One more car had to be pulled out. It's finally time for our Jimny. See guys, from that time for this Jimny every hurdle has been a piece of cake. Let's see how this hurdle is, whether it comes out very easily or we need to put some effort. Piece of cake, piece of cake, piece of cake, piece of cake. Woo!
ಶ್ರೀಕಾಂತ ನಿಮ್ದು ಮಹೇಂದ್ರದವ್ರದ್ದು ಏನಿಲ್ಲ ತಮ್ಮ
Achha, no issue. Come on. No. No. We need a tractor. Tractor to the rescue. I think we'll need a tractor for rescue. Come on, come on, come on, come on. No. Tractor to the rescue. Get JCB for the rescue. They had to clean up a little bit. ನಾಳೆ ಬಂದ ಫೋನ್ ಮಾಡ ಆಯ್ತು 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 Bro, but the other Jimny climbed, bro. It is climbing the other Jimny. Come on. Yes. Oh, come on. Yay. Shit. Oh, there's another hurdle here. Okay. Okay. See, that's the hurdle. That's the one. Let's see. Come on. Piece of cake. Try for the tar. Come on. Good. Woo. Guys, time for the Jimny now. It's always been a piece of cake. Let's see how it performs now. Come on, bro, Nikhil. Come on, bro. Come on. Very easy, man, easy. Okay. Another one. Slow. Come slowly to the left. Yes. Come slowly to the left. Good. Check this out, guys. It's going in 2H. Just two wheels and Jimny is pushing through all of this.
Actually, we shouldn't be supposed to doing all this with two wheel.
Okay.
It has to have the right number of gearing ratio. What do you tell? Because every gearbox is tuned to a particular set of size of tires.
Okay.
Only, including ECU and whatever comes in between. So you have to calibrate everything, and I feel this is the only vehicle where you can say it's very tuner friendly and it doesn't matter that much even if you're going to like want to like get it done or not, it'll anyways run. But
Okay.
you have to just keep in mind of the speedo errors, and if you're running with a big set of tires, probably you cannot drive faster.
Okay.
There'll be
But you can do all the R&D on this vehicle.
R&D is unlimited for this, literally. Money pit off-roading, even if it's a Jimny.
We finished stage 1 and the stage 3 is completed. Actually the stage 2 was pending. This is the last trail of the day. We are heading towards stage 2. I think this is again going to be insane. No idea what kind of terrain this is going to be. Let's head to stage 2, complete it, and then we will be leaving to Bangalore. Guys, welcome to stage 2. Again, very high inclination, guys. I would say easily 45 or more.
Okay. Okay, sir. Okay. Low.
Guys, this slope is freaking steep. My God. My God. Slow, bro, slow. Whoa. It was indeed dangerous, tough one. That's my phone, don't worry. Go. Oh.
Just need to tap it. Tap the throttle.
Just
Keep
tap the
going.
throttle and it keeps going, yeah.
You have to watch it. No, Nikhil, fine. Come friend ಅಣ್ಣ ನಿಖಿಲ್ ಅಂತ ಮೌರ್ಯ
Nikhil anta.
Hi.
Hi, ಮೌರ್ಯ
Hi.
ಬನ್ನಿ
Sorry.
That's fine, he wasn't watching.
Come on. guys, this is literally steep, man. Steep. I would say it's more than 45, 65 probably. Oof. But the Jimny is climbing it with a lot of ease, man. It feels so nice, so proud, you know. All that effort's paid off. So much of modification, so much of R&D put into this, like, you know, to have the best off-roading, you know, Jimny built in the country. Not a joke. Okay, bye.
ಸರ್ ಅವ್ರದ್ದು ಏನೋ ವಿಡಿಯೋ
Lifting this one on top. Oh my god, this is amazing slope, man. Fuck. Come this side. Stage 2 was crazy. I loved the descent. What an experience, man. What an experience. Okay guys, we're almost done with stage 2. We're exiting now.
Done with the event.
Done with the event. We're heading back to the meetup point. And let's go have, you know, some food and then change our tires and head back home. Back to the original V's, 80 wheels to head back home. Check out this lift system. If you have ever wondered what happens if you put this lift system in a suspension, it is exactly called air suspensions. You see how it works. Release money idu. Aita release money. See. Same system on suspension is air suspension. Now see, I'll also show you. I'll show it inflate. Hey.
Directly and making this event a super duper event. So before we start the official party, let's thank our police personnel, media personnel who have come.
Guys, we are done with the event, had dinner, had some fun. We're leaving now, we're heading back to Bangalore. We decided to drive in the night and we'll be in Bangalore by morning 3 a.m. I hope you like this vlog. I've put in a lot of efforts to make it as entertaining as possible for you all. If you've liked this video, like, share and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.